Standard 8, Maths Chapter 8, Comparing Quantities. Hello everyone. So far in last video we have discussed up to question number 7 of exercise 8.2. Now we'll continue with question number 8. So it is exercise 8.2 and question number 8. So what it says, price of a TV is rupees 13,000. Price of TV is rupees 13,000. Sales tax charge on is at rupees percent. Sales tax is 12%. Okay. Now find the amount that Vinod will pay if he buys it. So total amount to be paid will be total amount to be paid. This actual price, that is 13,000 plus 12% of this 13,000. Okay. So this is the total amount he has to pay. This is 13,000 plus, so it comes out to be 14,560 rupees. So this is the amount he has to pay. Okay. Now next question. That is question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount was given 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 16,000, find the mark price. In this we have to find the mark price. So amount paid by his Arun. Amount he paid is rupees 1600. Percent discount was 20%. So we have to find the mark price. We have to find the mark price. Now I have already told you that this price what was paid by Arun is after the discount. Means this has this 20% discount of the mark price has been deducted, and after that amount which was paid by Arun was 1600. So what we do? We will suppose, let the mark price, that is I am writing MP for mark price, is rupees X. So amount paid by Arun would have been this mark price minus 20% of this mark price. Okay, 20% of mark price. This is comes out to be 80x upon 100. Okay, and this amount is 1600. It is given in the question. So 80x upon 100 equals 1600. Now if we calculate x, it is 1600 into 100 upon 80. This is 20, and value of x come out to be 2000. So the mark price of the this skates was rupees 2000, and after offering 20% discount it is 1600. Clear? Now question number 10. So question number 10. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. Okay. Amount paid including VAT was 1500 rupees, and percent VAT was 8%. Okay. So this total amount paid was equal to, so initial amount we will suppose, let initial amount or amount we will say amount before VAT. We will suppose amount before VAT was added to rupees X. Okay. So amount paid includes this X, that is the original amount, plus 8% of this X. So it includes total initial amount plus 8% of that. It's come out to be 108 X plus. So this is the, and it is equal to 5400. So from here if we calculate X, this is 5400 into 100 upon 108. This is 9 6 the 0 0. This is 9 1 and 2. So it is, so X is 5000. So amount before VAT was added is rupees 5000. I hope it is clear to you. Now last question of this exercise, that is question number 11. An article was purchased for rupees 12 13 12 1239 including a GST of 18%. Find the price before GST was added. Okay, in this we will also say that amount paid including GST, it was rupees 1239. Percent GST, was 18%. Okay, so what will suppose, let the amount before GST, we will suppose this amount as rupees X. Now total amount paid will be equal to this X, that is amount before GST plus 18% of this X. Okay, this is the total amount which has to be paid. So it is 118. Okay, and this amount paid, it is given as 1239. So from this X is 1239 into 100 upon 118. Clear? This is 5 and 9, and this is 50. So if we calculate, it comes out to be 1050. So amount before GST was added was rupees 1050. So with this exercise is finished. I hope you are clear with the concept of percentage. So how to have to apply for calculating cost price, selling price, profit loss, this sales tax, value added tax, GST, discount. So we will start with compound interest in our next video. Thank you.